Hi there, it's AI Claire, and I'm here to share my favorite AI tools with you. Let's learn together. All ages are welcome, and no technical experience is needed. If you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where obviously you're going to get some more of these AI tools on a weekly basis and some special guests, more in-depth content, then please do. Today, we are going to be talking about Wonderchat. Now, have you ever wanted to build a chatbot in a matter of minutes and embed it on your website, then keep watching. We're going to be talking about, as I said, Wonderchat, and it is wondrous. Chatbots, what are they generally for? I mean, you can have fast customer service 24/7, more personalized experiences, and deliver multilingual support. And then businesses can improve their service, gather data, boost customer engagement, more sales, increase lead generation, marketing, A/B testing, data, and the list goes on. So let's now have a little looky. Go to app.wonderchat.io and sign up. You can get a free account where you'll be able to actually create one chatbot, which is what we're going to do right now. So we are in the dashboard, if you want to click in the dashboard, and we are going to just click on Create a Bot. We are going to give our bot a name, so let's call it AI Claire. And we're going to create an avatar image. So I'm going to go in here, and here's one. Voila. The tagline, it's an AI assistant. Or we can just put that in there. The color, we can actually edit. We can choose our colors, branding colors, etc. Let's go for that. Pink. Now let's get our data source settings. Do we want to get to our knowledge base, which is either a URL or a file? I'm actually going to link it to a file and upload that right now. I'm just uploading 10 incredible AI tools. So all this data in there, basically, if I'm going to train my chatbot to ask different questions about different AI tools. So we can put the name of the file in there. So AI tools, etc., etc. But let's just move down. We can do that later if we need to. What is the role of my chatbot? Well, I'm just going to have it as customer support. The language, we've already gone in there. And now let's look at chatbot response length. Do we want it concise, normal, detailed? I'm just going to keep it as normal for right now. And then the chatbot creativity. How creative are we going to let this chatbot be? Well, I mean, we can go put it up here all the way to the 1, but I tell you what, I'm going to just go to 0.21 right now. Contact button link, if there's a link customers can contact you at. Suggested questions. Maybe somebody is needing help. I can have that and it will disappear after the first message. So I am here to help. And then we can have it disappear after the first message. Chatbot message settings, greeting. Well, here's one I did earlier. Hi there, what can I do for you today? And I will click on spontaneously greet users. Fallback message. Maybe if I need to, I'm going to write another day around the sun, just a bit of humor. And then we can go into the next one, which would be site URL sources when answering. We can actually click on site PDF pages when answering, human support and live chat settings. Do I want to enable that? Of course I do, because it's a great combination always of the chatbot and the human support. So if there's a message for requesting human support, leave us a message and we will reply as soon as possible. Triggers, automatically asked to leave an email. Not necessarily, I'm not going to do that right now. Lead collection settings. Do you want to make it required that they leave an email, for example? I'm just going to click create. The email will be sent to me once we've done this, but you're going to see that it's really, really quick. And I'm not even going to edit this out because it's done already. So our actions. I can actually embed this to a website straight away. Let's go to settings first before we have a little trial. Integrations. You could actually integrate with a number of different things. So you could actually connect your WhatsApp. Then you'll obviously be able to automate the customer queries there with WhatsApp. And you can also use, as you can see, Zapier, Zendesk, webhooks, Microsoft Teams, Discord, and a few more. And to finish off, let's see what our chatbot looks like. So we are on our dashboard here and we're going to click on actions. We can edit the chatbot, by the way, if we need to here. share the link to chatbot, invite team member. But what we're going to do right now is view the chatbot. So as you can see, it has that, "Hi there, what can I do for you today?" come up because they know that I'm here. And I'm going to say, "Hi there, I need to put AI tools. I'd be happy to help you with information about AI tools. What specific information are you looking for? A video editing tool, please." I always say please, I can't help it. "Certainly." And then it just gives this whole spiel. So you can actually see that there is a lot going on, and we can obviously train it to do more and more as we go through and we see all these different questions, add more data. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.